Hello and welcome to my channel. If you're new here, I'm a UK reseller. I buy things cheap at car boot sales or in charity shops and then resell them for profit on Amazon or on eBay. I'm just going to share with you what I got this last weekend to resell. I spent £6 and I'm hoping to make round about the £180 mark. Now I'm using the app called Scoutly, which is a scanning app that lets you scan product barcodes and it shows you the current prices on Amazon. So I scan the barcode of an item that I potentially want to buy, look at the pricing, cross-check on eBay and decide whether I want to buy that or not. So let's have a look at the first item. That's a puzzle that I bought for £1 on a car boot sale. Nice 1,000-piece puzzle. It's brand new and sealed. No rips anywhere. So I was pleased with that. So if we have a look at what this currently sells for. So we scan the barcode. Come on. And see that at the moment this goes new on Amazon for £16.21. There are 4 sellers selling it new. It ranges from £16 to £22. I'm going to be going for around about the £16 mark. Another thing, there's another puzzle that I got, children's Spider-Man puzzle. That was also £1 on a car boot sale. If we scan the barcode here, we'll see what that currently sells for. Not taking it as a glare there. So at the moment there are no sellers selling this item new on Amazon. There's only one seller selling it used for £12.98. So I think I'm going to go in for about £20 and see how it does. I'm going to decide whether I'll send it to FBA or just sell it myself. Then I got these 3 CDs at a charity shop. They were doing 3 for £1 promotion, so I chose these 3. So this actually is a karaoke thing. Let's have a look. Don't know why that's taking so long today. Karaoke hits. There's 3 CDs in there, and as you can see, there are 3 sellers selling this on Amazon new from £9. The third one is asking £15. I might wait and sit on it and list it for the higher price and wait till Christmas. Things like that go quite well at Christmas. Secret Love, the Royal Philharmonic Orchestra. Let's have a look at that. There is only one seller selling this new at £11.25. And last, I've got the Essential English Interactive Multimedia Language Learning. So if we have a look at that. And there is only one seller selling this new, and it's at £16.98. So not too bad for a £1 profit on these 3 things combined. Now I got 4 books here that I got at charity shops. They were doing these 2 were 50p. So electronic product design, they're used but they're in a good condition. Only minor wear to the dust jackets and the cover. Right, this is not happy today. And as we can see, we want to be looking at this column for used items here. The 5 sellers that are selling this used, the cheapest price at the moment is £59.56. As you can see just above that, this figure here shows you the rank. There's quite a massive rank for this book, but I don't mind sitting on books. They're lovely items, and the profit on them is huge. Normally you can find books in all charity shops ranging from 20 pence per book to a pound or two. A lot of the time they'll do deals, 3 for £1, something like that, and you can really find some rare books, and they're really well priced. So I don't mind sitting on this for a while if it's gonna sell for that sort of money. This Rivers of Ireland, that was also 50 pence. That's also used. And that got 5 sellers selling this used, and the cheapest price is £16.45 at the minute. And this was also in charity shops. This was a £2 buy. There is an aircraft rescue and firefighting book and a study guide for that also. These are new and sealed, so we'll have a look. So as you can see, there's 2 people selling this new, one at £32, one at £65, so quite a difference. So I'm gonna decide where I want to go with the price for this. And the study guide, there is 1 seller selling this used for £5, no sellers of new study guide at all. So I will decide whether I want to sell it separately, probably go in for about £10, or maybe I will combine both of them and stick them on eBay, see how it goes. Yeah, so that's my lot. So from my £6, I'm hoping to make around about the £180 profit. If you like the scanning app, it's called Scoutly. I use it all the time. It's really quick. You do need an internet connection for that. It's a paid app, paid about $9, and you do need to have the Amazon Pro Sellers account. If you're interested, I'm going to leave a link in the description below the video. Thanks for watching.